We all use SIM cards in our mobile phone, and most of us are very eager to know what's inside it so that one can easily communicate with other mobile phones around the globe efficiently and effectively. So today I'm going to show you about the hardware construction, how a SIM card actually looks like when you break it into parts. So this is a SIM card which is from a quite older phone, and I have broken it, and you can see here that if I break it, there is a small black color IC there, right? There is a black color IC, and the black color is actually the active chip area.